Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is keywords. Keywords are reserved words in a programming language that have a predefined meaning. These words are used to perform various built-in operations and cannot be used for naming variables, methods, classes, or other user-defined entities. Apex provides the keywords final, instance of super, this, transient, with sharing and without sharing. Examples in Apex. Public specifies the visibility of a class or method. Class used to define a class. Void indicates that a method does not return a value. Return exists a method and optionally returns a value. If else used for conditional branching. Let's see an example. So public class my class, public void my method. If true, then it's going to display this is a keyword example. In this example, public class void if are keywords. Public class void if these are all keywords. Thank you.